Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Najwa. I'm a makeup lover who loves to experiment with different styles of makeup. If you happen to share the same interest as mine, then go ahead and click the subscribe button because I will upload new content every week, inshallah. As you can see in the title, I will do Kaneki Ken's makeup look. If you don't know who he is, I definitely recommend you to start watching Tokyo Ghoul. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Starting off, I take Dermacol concealer to cover up my dark under eye and also prime my eyelid. Since this looks require only one eye to be seen, I only apply the concealer on one of my eyes. Then I set the concealer with a compact powder by Rimmel. I use a black face paint by Imagic Cosmetics to draw a dramatic wing liner to imitate Kaneki's sharp eye. Next, I set the paint with the black eyeshadow coat Carbon by m.a.c Cosmetics. Oil-based black paint tends to crease a lot, so I highly recommend you to reapply the eyeshadows once in a while. Or you can use water-based face paint if you have one. The eye look is done. Now let's go ahead and do the mask. I use a detail brush and the same black paint to sketch out the mask by referring to several photos of Kaneki. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is only to give you some ideas of where the mask should look like and where you will fill in the black paint later. This includes the eye patch, the zipper, and the bolts. Once you're satisfied with your sketch, go ahead and fill it in with the black paint. I use a large flat brush to make the process quicker and easier. This brush is by Sister Beauty. Then I set the paint with the same carbon black eyeshadow using a big powder brush and a small taper brush. I use a fine detail brush to sketch out the teeth. Once that is done, I fill in the shape with white paint. On the other side of the teeth, I apply red paint to illustrate the color of the gums. Next, I take silver paint to fill in the gap between the upper and lower teeth to illustrate the zipper that Kaneki's mask has. For the zip puller, I use a white eyeliner by Fenty Beauty in the code Wet T-shirt and draw the shape. Then I fill in the two circles on my cheeks with the silver paint to illustrate the mask folds. Time to add more details. I use white paint as a highlight to make the mask look more textured and dimensional. Basically, just imagine where the light will hit the mask and that's where you highlight it. To highlight the eye patch, just do an X sign and start highlighting the corners of the patch. I add two black lines on each bolt as the final touch. And that's it, the makeup look is done. Thank you so much for spending some of your time to watch this video. If you'd like to support me to do more content on my channel, I highly suggest you to hit that subscribe button and give it thumbs up so I know that you enjoy it. Stay safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!